Prep for steaming. Press the steam button. The light will blink during 20-second preheating. Use this time to pour milk into your pitcher at the same time. When the light turns solid, it's ready. Submerge the steam wand tip just below the milk surface. Turn knob to steam to begin frothing. When milk reaches 60°C, 140°F, turn knob to off. Pour steamed milk into espresso. Your drink is ready. Wipe wand exterior thoroughly with a damp cloth. Critical cleaning. Point wand into drip tray. Briefly turn steam on for 1 to 2 seconds to flush internal residue. Wipe it again. Press steam button again to fully exit steam mode.